Hello, this is Robert Smith from M2 Technologies here to tell you about share files in Autodesk CFD. Share files are like a zipped folder containing all of the data required by a CFD model. When opening a CFD model, you go for the .cfdst file. That's kind of like the entry point for the model. But the files that actually make up the model are contained in these various subfolders representing the designs and scenarios. So if you want to send this model to another user, or maybe tech support, or maybe you just want to save a copy of the entire model in its current state before making further changes, it's not enough just to grab the CFDST file. To ensure you get everything you need, use the Share File tool. Here you see a completed model with results. To create a share file, go to Save As, and then the Save Share File command in the application menu. A dialog will appear, offering you several different types of the share file. They contain varying amounts of information, allowing you to control the file size. The support file type is only the setup information. No mesh, no results. It contains everything you need to regenerate the results by running it again, but it will have to be remeshed and solved. It's the smallest file size and is so named because it's ideal for sending the model to tech support. In fact, CFD generates one of these automatically whenever you solve. You'll find it one level up in the folder structure from your CFDST file. It will have the name of your model followed by _support. All of these share file types use the CFZ file extension. The archive type contains all of the setup information plus the mesh and the last result set saved. Particularly in the case of transient analyses, when results are saved at many intervals throughout the time history of the event, share files can get very large. By only saving the final result set, you can see where the model ended up at the end of the event, while dramatically reducing the file size. Meshing can take significant time as well, so it's nice not to have to repeat that in order to rerun the analysis. All results sets contain setup information and all results, but no mesh. Last result set contains setup and the last result set, but no mesh. And finally, the everything type is self-explanatory. These can get very large when the model itself is large and transient events are run. In this area, select which scenarios and designs you would like included in the share file by checking and unchecking these boxes. At the bottom, you designate the name and the location of the share file to be created. Make your selection and hit Save, and it will begin the process of compressing the study. This process is typically very fast when using the support type, as I have. Let's see what we got. This is the share file. The original model is about 1 gig, and the support share file is only 1.4 megabytes, which can easily be emailed. In order to open a share file, just use the Open command. Select the CFZ, and CFD will unpack the contents and open the model. Double-clicking on the share file in Windows Explorer would have the same effect.